Welcome to the Whispering Forest tonight. I will guide you through a slow, calming journey in an ancient, magical forest. Every rustle of leaves, every gentle breeze, and every soft sound will carry you closer to peaceful sleep. As the sun sets, the sky is painted with shades of orange, pink, and purple, reflecting softly on the leaves and forest floor. Tall trees, ancient and proud, stand around you, their branches whispering secrets. The path is covered with moss, soft and comforting under your feet. Each step is slow, deliberate, and calming. You notice tiny streams sparkling under the fading sunlight, like silver threads, weaving through the forest. The air is scented with pine, earth, and wildflowers. Every inhalation fills your mind with calm and serenity. Birds sing their final songs, and a distant owl hoots gently. Each sound is part of a lullaby, guiding your thoughts toward stillness. The forest is alive with small movements. A rabbit hops quietly nearby, a fox pauses in the shadows, and a gentle breeze shifts the leaves. You take a seat on a moss-covered log, feeling the softness beneath you. The gentle trickle of a nearby stream harmonizes with the whispering leaves, creating a serene rhythm. You close your eyes briefly, letting the sounds wash over you. The moon begins to rise, casting silver light across the forest. Dew glistens on the leaves, and the soft sway of ferns adds a gentle rhythm. Every detail you notice brings deeper calm. The delicate curve of a mushroom, the shimmer of a pond, the tiny footsteps of forest creatures. The forest seems alive but peaceful, inviting you to relax and breathe slowly. You rise and continue along the winding path. The scent of the earth, the sound of water, and the soft rustle of branches guide your steps. You notice a small pond, its surface mirroring the soft glow of the moon. Kneeling beside it, you touch the cool water, letting the sensation soothe your mind. Every ripple carries away tension, leaving peace in its place. As you walk further, the trees arch overhead, creating a gentle canopy. The forest whispers lullabies through the leaves, while insects hum softly, adding rhythm. You feel a sense of safety, of being embraced by the calm of nature. Each breath, each step, draws you deeper into tranquility, preparing your mind for restful sleep. You continue your journey deeper into the whispering forest, feeling each step bring calmness to your mind. The trees around you stretch high, their leaves rustling softly in the gentle night breeze. Silver beams of moonlight filter through the branches, creating delicate patterns on the mossy forest floor. The air is fragrant with pine, damp earth, and subtle hints of wildflowers. A distant owl calls softly, and tiny insects hum in rhythm with the night. Each sound blends into a soothing melody, wrapping you in serenity. Your heartbeat slows as you move with the gentle pace of the forest. Along the path, you notice delicate ferns, mushrooms glowing faintly in the moonlight, and small woodland creatures moving quietly. A fox appears briefly, pausing to observe you with curious eyes before disappearing into the shadows. Every tiny detail draws your attention, keeping your mind focused on peace and calm. You come upon a small wooden bench beside a bubbling stream. You sit and rest, feeling the cool, smooth wood beneath you. The gentle sound of water flowing mixes with the whispering leaves, creating a perfect lullaby. You inhale slowly, letting the scent of the forest fill your lungs and bring relaxation to every muscle in your body. Looking around, you notice the forest floor is dotted with tiny flowers, soft moss, and sparkling dewdrops reflecting the moonlight. You rise and follow a winding path leading to a small clearing. The forest is alive but calm, each movement purposeful, yet gentle. You feel embraced by the tranquility around you. Near the clearing, a serene pond reflects the stars above. You kneel beside it and dip your fingers into the cool water, feeling the gentle flow soothe your thoughts. Ripples form, carrying away tension and leaving only serenity. Every breath, every movement, every sound encourages you to let go of worries and sink deeper into a state of peaceful calm. As you walk further into the whispering forest, the night deepens and the forest seems even more magical. The moonlight dances through the branches, casting silvery shadows that sway gently with the breeze. Every leaf and branch seems to tell a story, softly guiding your mind toward peace. The forest floor is cushioned with soft moss and scattered leaves. You hear the distant trickle of a stream, accompanied by the subtle chirping of insects. The air is fragrant and fresh, filled with the scent of pine, wet earth, and wildflowers. Each inhalation fills your senses with calm, as if the forest itself is breathing with you. Small creatures move quietly around you. A rabbit hops softly through the undergrowth. A deer steps lightly near a clearing, and tiny insects hover around flowers. All movements are gentle, slow, and soothing. You feel a deep connection to the forest, its rhythm syncing perfectly with your heartbeat. You approach a small pond shimmering under the moonlight. Its surface reflects the trees, stars, and soft glow of the night. You kneel and touch the water, feeling the cool liquid glide through your fingers, washing away tension and stress. Each ripple seems to whisper a lullaby, inviting you to relax deeper. Near the pond, ferns sway gently, and moss-covered logs create natural seats. You sit and feel the calm of the forest settle into your body. Every sound, every movement, and every scent adds to your serenity. The forest is alive but tender, protecting and guiding you toward a state of restful calm. You rise and follow the winding path again, noticing the delicate details: glimmering dew, soft petals, glowing mushrooms, and the rustle of branches. The night embraces you, and every breath, every step, every heartbeat encourages peaceful, restorative calm. You feel ready for gentle, deep sleep, immersed in the tranquil magic of the whispering forest. Continuing through the whispering forest, you notice how the moonlight gently illuminates the tall trees, making their shadows sway across the forest floor. Every rustle of leaves and every gentle sound of nature is part of a soothing symphony, guiding your mind toward calmness. The path is soft with moss and fallen leaves, each step quiet and comforting. You notice tiny flowers peeking through the forest floor, mushrooms glowing faintly in the moonlight, and delicate ferns that sway as if dancing with the breeze. All these details invite your mind to focus on peace and serenity. A soft stream flows nearby, and you kneel beside it, feeling the cool water glide through your fingers. The gentle sound of water harmonizes with the whispers of the trees, creating a lullaby meant just for you. Each ripple carries away tension, leaving only tranquility in its place. You pause on a moss-covered log, listening to the soft sounds of the forest, the distant call of an owl, the rustle of small animals, and the soft hum of insects. Each sound slows your thoughts, encourages relaxation, and deepens your connection with the gentle rhythm of nature. The air is fragrant with pine, wet earth, and blooming flowers. You breathe slowly, letting calmness flow through your body. You rise and follow a winding path that leads to a serene clearing, feeling completely embraced by the tranquil magic of the whispering forest. Finally, you reach a soft mossy clearing beneath a majestic, ancient oak tree. You lie down slowly, feeling the forest cradle your body. Every gentle sound, the rustle of leaves, distant calls of night birds, and the soothing flow of water, combines into a tender lullaby. Time slows, and your mind drifts freely, floating on waves of serenity. The forest seems to breathe with you, every whisper of nature encouraging deep relaxation. You feel completely safe, embraced, and calm. The soft glow of the moon illuminates the clearing, highlighting dew-covered leaves, glimmering moss, and delicate flowers. A gentle breeze brushes against your skin, and the tranquil ambiance encourages restful, restorative sleep. Your eyelids grow heavy, and you feel ready to surrender to peaceful slumber. The whispering forest hums a quiet farewell, leaving you in perfect calm. Good night, dear listener. May your dreams be gentle, serene, and filled with comfort. Thank you for joining this journey through the whispering forest.